Welcome, Globetrotters and trivia lovers. Are you ready to test your world knowledge? The country where each of these famous sites is located. Let's get started. 1. Which country is home to the Eiffel Tower? Time's up. The Eiffel Tower is in France. Did you get it? 2. Which country is famous for the Kremlin? The Kremlin is the heart of Russia, in Moscow. 3. Which country has the Great Wall? The answer is China, one of the most famous wonders of the world. 4. Which country is symbolized by the Statue of Liberty? It's none other than the United States, a gift from France. 5. Which country has the stunning Taj Mahal? The answer is India, where this magnificent mausoleum stands as a symbol of love. 6. Which country is famous for Christ the Redeemer? This landmark towers over Rio in Brazil. 7. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? The ancient Incan city is located in Peru. 8. Which country can you find the Colosseum in? This iconic amphitheater is in Italy, right in the heart of Rome. 9. Which country has the Pyramids of Giza? The answer is Egypt, one of the most mysterious wonders of the ancient world. 10. Which country is home to the Sydney Opera House? You guessed it, Australia, known for its iconic sail-like design. 11. Which country is Big Ben in? Big Ben is a famous clock tower in the United Kingdom. 12. Which country is home to Mount Fuji? Mount Fuji is a sacred mountain in Japan. 13. Which country has the tallest building, the Burj Khalifa? That's the United Arab Emirates, specifically in Dubai. 14. Which country is home to the Acropolis? The Acropolis sits high above the city of Athens, Greece. 15. Which country is home to Angkor Wat? Angkor Wat is the pride of Cambodia. 16. Which country has the Golden Gate Bridge? It's in the United States, connecting San Francisco to Marin County. 17. Which country is Stonehenge in? Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument in the United Kingdom. 18. Which country is famous for the Kremlin? The Kremlin is the heart of Russia, in Moscow. 19. Which country is home to Neuschwanstein Castle? This fairy tale castle is in Germany. 20. Which country is home to the ancient Mayan city of Chichen Itza? This UNESCO site is in Mexico. 21. Which country has the Hagia Sophia? Hagia Sophia is an architectural wonder in Turkey. 22. Which country is home to Mount Rushmore? It's in the United States, featuring the faces of 4 U.S. presidents. 23. Which country has the famous Tower Bridge? Tower Bridge is an iconic symbol of London, in the United Kingdom. 24. Which country is home to the Louvre Museum? The Louvre, with its iconic glass pyramid, is in France. 25. Which country is home to the Leaning Tower of Pisa? The Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Congratulations, you've completed the challenge. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you had fun, subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and challenges, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure.